Hello guys, well, as you saw from the title of this video, I just got partnered with YouTube creator program. I received the email like 1 hour ago. I'm still shaking. I'm so happy, so grateful. First, I really want to say thanks to God who made all of this possible, and second to all of you guys who are here, who are subscribing, liking, watching my videos, writing all of these positive comments about me, about my journey. The main purpose of this channel and this YouTube series of me going pro league player is for the people who still have dreams and they have never done anything to follow them. Guys, I highly encourage you, follow my journey. My league journey is going very well. You see in the next episode I reached diamond, and yeah, you see a lot of interesting plays and that kind of stuff. I'm also very happy to say in the next season, because the split is ending in a few weeks, my goal is at least master, and I think I will be able to reach that. So guys, encourage you, follow your dreams. This video is one kind of, so it's a different video from all other videos that will be on the channel, but I just really wanted to say thank you and I appreciate you guys. Really, blessings to you. It means really so much for me. I got the email like 1 hour ago, and I still cannot stop smiling. I immediately called my wife. I shared the news with her because she's out working. Yeah, guys, it really meant so much for me. Thank you, and hopefully I will encourage more people to follow my journey. Guys, if you want to chat, to ask things about me, you can join my Discord channel. Also, for the people, because I just opened membership, it's only $3. There I will share weekly videos that will be only for the members about my struggles in life, in the game, things that will be from the kitchen, as they say. So guys, if you want to support me, it would really mean the world to me if you want to join my membership community. It already has some members. I cannot believe them. But yeah, thank you so much guys, and I will continue now with showing you my analytics, and yeah, thank you.